What good, gang? I'm finna goddamn go watch my baby. Give her a good little watch real quick. And God dang. Give her a good little watch real quick. And then goddamn go meet my pop. So I might give y'all like some little highway pulls on here. What else? Might do a little something in this video, man. Y'all just stay around and watch it. Make sure you like, comment, subscribe. I don't know why that car let me go, because I'm finna go right here. Yeah, make sure you like, comment, subscribe, man. Let's see. I'm gonna watch my car on the side I normally watch it on. I ain't gonna trade sides, man. Man, look at that junk, gang. That junk tweaking. Get me a camera ASAP. So now I gotta do this junk like the old fashioned. But good thing I know how to drive. I can do that. Some of y'all niggas just be really dependent on that camera. But I don't depend on that camera, you feel me? I really need to go over a little bit. Can't though, cause they really put that holes in the ground right there. I don't want to get out until I actually start washing it. But I'm finna get out and show y'all, walk around real quick, let y'all see how she looks. She's not even really dirty. I just want to pretty much give her a good little wash real quick. So let's get out real quick so y'all can see. So yeah. She's really not even dirty for real, for real. Know what I'm saying? So I ain't really gotta go crazy. I gotta get some air right though, boy. God dang. That junk look got a nail or something in it for real. I ain't even took no time to look. I ain't took no time to look in here. But I don't even think they'll patch this tire now because ain't got no thread on it. I see why I be scraping it now when I when I hit a dip. They be hitting this plastic right here. You see the rub? This tire like right there. So any little, let me see, any little push down. Let me see if I can bounce my car. Dang, I can't bounce my car like that. But yeah, any little push down like that is straight. I really just need to get that brake dust off right here. Handprints and junk like that, bugs. But yeah, we finna clean this up. Make sure I got go get some air in that tire. God damn, why I keep sneezing? See if I can get the thumbnail. I don't like that one. Let me see. I think I got the thumbnail. Yep. Got one, gang. But yeah, we finna wash this up real quick. I'm gonna
Hey, Bob. That thing sounds mean.
Appreciate it, man.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir. But yeah, though, we finna spray it down. So I'm gonna keep y'all on long as I can. Y'all heard it, man. It sounds mean. Need some of that. So y'all, son, y'all ain't got nothing like that. Squeeze that guy. You got high pressure. You feel me? You gotta make work with what you got. Get them wheels real good. Really get some brakes. That's one of the things I need to get done. That and the oil change. It looks so good back there. Really need to go to the gym today too. I ain't gonna lie. But when I replace my brakes, I think I'm gonna just go ahead and replace front and back, and not just the front. My front, the only thing that need to be replaced for real, but I'm gonna replace both of them just because. You know what I'm saying? And then, like I said, we're gonna end up putting this car up when I get my daily. We're gonna end up putting this car up. We're not gonna drive it that much in the wintertime. So I'm gonna go ahead and turn this water off. I'm gonna go get this bucket out the car. And we're gonna start to wash it, man. Even though it's not gonna take that much, like I told y'all, I really want to more so focus on my inside and focus on my inside of these wheels. That's about it. Set that right there. And all the supplies you need for real to wash this car. This was what I use. I really don't like giving the sauce, but I'm gonna give it to y'all. And you need about that much. You let that sit for a minute. And you need to make sure you get a squeegee too, man, because you gotta dry your car down when you get done with it. And we're gonna clean it out after we get done. Dang, I keep knocking it over. So I think we're gonna start on the other side first. Because I started on this side last time. Then what you do, you know what I'm saying, you just take this. Make sure you get that rag in there real good. Take this out and watch off. So you just take this and you just go in there. Make sure you get it all in there. Make sure you have 2 rags, one for the car, one for your tires. Like I said, it's not really that dirty, so I ain't gotta go as hard. Just a quick little wash down. Quick little wash down. Like I said, man, y'all really do gotta appreciate your cars and stuff, man. So make sure you watch and take care of anything you got right now. No matter if it's a beater, no matter if it's a phone, you know, anything you got. Don't even gotta be a car. Just everything you got, take care of it. Show your appreciation. That's all I'm saying. And I got some detail spray. I'm probably gonna throw that on after this wash. You know what I'm saying? Clean it up, man, because folks always saying my car dirty. I'm not gonna lie, I was neglecting it and stuff like that, but now I'm trying to get into taking pride of what's mine now for real too. That's what I'm telling y'all, man. Do it with me. Finally use goo off or whatever it is to get that 6.4 off right there and get the charger from the back when I debadged. So yeah, just make sure y'all wash y'all cars, man. Good soap, good soap, good suds. Feel me? Good soap, man. But I'm gonna get back with y'all when I'm close to being done. So gang, I gotta finish, man. She is glass again. And I hit them wheels. We definitely need a paint job soon though. I ain't gonna lie. A paint job would definitely kill it. I got a lot of scratches on here. But now I'm finna clean the front windshield. And yeah, make sure y'all go follow me on IG right now, man. Link is in the description. If you don't feel like typing it, link is in the description. But yeah though, man, if you ain't got one of these, man, make sure you get one of these when you wash your car. It's a squeegee, man. I'm telling you, it does wonders. You know what I'm saying? Just believe in your boy. Right now, I'm finna get this detail spray, and I'm gonna try to get the car a little bit more right. And I'm gonna cut the camera back on when I'm done, and I'm gonna show y'all. So again, I decided to put my covers back on. You know what I'm saying? About to show you how clean she is. And that's gonna be it for this video. Make sure you like, comment, subscribe.